Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Lydia and today's video is the day at Blizzard Beach. The last day, because it's closing today. Just for the summertime, and then it'll reopen later. That's right, Blizzard Beach will be closing, but they'll be heading to Typhoon Lagoon. I have not been yet there, so I'm excited to go there soon. So I thought it'd be fun to go one last time to Blizzard Beach. I did every attraction there last time. I might take it a little slow this time and just kind of relax, sit on those benches and just relax and go on some attractions. And they got some good Joffrey donuts. Let me tell you, they're really good. Yeah, so I'm gonna head out now and I'll catch you guys there. Alright, I made it into Blizzard Beach. Surprise, because I thought it would be at capacity, so I'm really happy I made it. I got really good shot to see if they have those camera things. Alright, I got one of the lockers, put all my stuff in. Got a waterproof case, which I'm really excited. I thought it's really good. Because last time I went to Epcot, I almost broke my phone, because it was downpouring. So I thought, what better way to try it than at Blizzard Beach. So I'm passing the chairlift right now. So you can take these all the way up the mountain. But I recommend just taking the stairs because that line for the chairlift is so long when you could get on the rides faster just walking up the steps. None of working here has helped because now it's like, oh, that's nothing. So I am gonna head to Ski Patrol because there's one side you can do here. Normally it's for kids that are shorter, 48 inches under, I believe. I can't remember when I work here. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then I'm gonna head up the mountain. Alright, heading up the mountain to do some rides up there. The stairs are no joke. But you get this cool view though. Because the last day, it is just packed everywhere. Well, some lines will be worth it later, but I'm gonna head to Storm and Tog, which is my favorite attraction. There are two different ones and the lines are huge. So we'll see what happens and how much I actually get done. Because I will eventually have to wait in line. But I'm just gonna see what I can do right now. Because every line is just so long, but that's good though. I might just use Storm and Toboggan. Those are two separate ones, but they're my favorite matte ones. They're the only matte ones they have at a water park here. But I think I'm just gonna do those because the line picks up. It's just more, you gotta be watching in front of who's in front of you and if they keep going. So I'm just gonna do that. So yeah. Alright, got off Toboggan. I meant to film, but my coworkers were having so much fun with me. It's opening Typhoon tomorrow, so they were quizzing me on some stuff. So I was like, I'm not gonna film that part, but I'm gonna go on and actually can, just so I can film it, because it's really fun. It's my favorite attraction here. So yeah. Alright you guys, I finished Rapid. That was a long wait, but it was worth it. Now I'm gonna head back to Toboggan, but first I'm gonna do 3D, and then I'm gonna go to Toboggan. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Alright, just got off of Storm, which is actually my favorite rotation. So you go Storm, Toboggan, 2, and Rapid 2. So that's my favorite rotation, so I'm doing all those rides in it. And then after that, I'm probably going to head home, but I'm going to hit family before I leave. So yeah. I just finished at an Storm, and now I'm going to head to the family ride. So I'm excited to do that one, and then after that I'm going to head to the wave pool a little bit, and then I'm going to head out before it closes, because that's going to be a lot of traffic and waiting, so I'm going to try to get out before that. But I will first grab a Joffrey donut because those are so good. So yeah. I finished all the attractions I want to go on. Now I am going to go get that Joffrey donut, which is really good. I hope they still have them because it might be all out because it's crowded today. So we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna grab that Joffrey donut. Alright you guys, I am back from Blizzard Beach. I had such a great time. I didn't do all the attractions like I did last time, but I did a couple of my favorites, which was really fun. And to end the time, I got Joffrey. I got myself a nice donut. They have the best donuts ever. I mean, this is so good. Last time I got chocolate, which was really good. I'm excited to try white chocolate. I'm excited. And the sprinkles, so good, but they are pretty messy. Well, I love it so much, so. Thank you for watching this video. Don't like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.